is the current table.
Garage sale stuff in here. Wow. That's all it is. That's all it is? We've come to
And I don't have much room to sit down there or right here. I have to slide in. So if I have a smaller table, then I can just sit down, and it just makes it easier for my cleaning. This is the extra flooring that I'm going to glue on top. Then after it's glued down, then I'll turn it over and use a razor blade, cut the round edges for it. I'm going to use this clear caulk to glue on my table. How hard it is on hand. It's clear, so go ahead and go along the edges here. Clean up afterwards. That does it. Last corner.
During the time they were a couple, sometime in the past year, you bought a car, Miss Boat. And you bought a car for how much? $6,500.
I'm scared, confused, and also quite bruised. How will I get the sticks? Insurance companies are so scary. You should call 1-800-SCARY. When he called, it was simple. He said with a laugh and a twinkle. So remember, whatever the accident reason, call 1-800-SCARY this holiday.
Just that much more to go. Yeah, got the edges completed. Now I'm going to attach the bracket underneath the table. And I'm not going to do it directly center. And the reason for that is because this is able to turn when it's on the pole, the table pole. So my thinking is I'm going to off center it just a little bit down, not that far, maybe a little bit up. So that way when I turn the table one direction, it'll be closer to the cushion, leaving more space in the walkway when needed. And when needed, sitting on the couch in the camper, I can turn it around the other way and have more sitting room. So that's my logic on that. I'm going to go ahead and circle and draw out my drill holes and start drilling. I'm just marking the holes now.
What property it's for. The repairs were done in February 2017, so you didn't put anybody in. They are correct. They were doing the repairs while the lady would keep it from being vandalized or burglarized, which happens all the time. If there's a tenant there, they know they're not going to receive their rent. Show me anywhere that you told, discussed, or that they...
Okay, I've got the markings for the holes made. I got these wood screws, and I need to measure them to make sure that they're not going to go through when I make sure they're not too long. I don't think they are. Perfect. Lots of room still left. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on those holes. Okay, it's time to take this project downstairs.
Those are just starter holes, so I can screw the screws in.
I needed to go out to my truck to get a Phillips screwdriver. So let's see if I can set up my camera so you can see what I am doing. In here, but it's gonna have to do. I'm just gonna get these started. I'm not gonna put them in all the way just yet. And there you have it. As you can see, it's off-centered just slightly. I got all the screws in and they went in perfectly. All the edges are cut off. Let's see if I can flip this over. There you go. Now all I need to do really is put the edging around to cover up the wood, and this table will be complete. But tomorrow I will take off the long table and show you how it fits on there. I think it came out pretty good. And there you have it. That's how you make a camper table.